Hello everyone, myself Yogini Salunke. I am a professor of computer science. Today we are talking about operating systems and special type of operating system we can discuss in this session, that is mobile operating system. Let's see this. What is actually the mobile operating system is? Mobile operating system is actually a software which used in smartphones, uh, tablets or Android type of phones, okay, and other devices to run application programs. Mobile operating system provide interface between device hardware as well device hardware and software functions. Okay, so let's see what is actually the working of mobile operating system. That mobile operating system is very different than the general purpose desktop operating system. Number of tasks are differently performed by the mobile operating system as compared to the traditional desktop operating system. There are number of different features provided by the mobile operating system, as well as it requires number of hardware support as well as a software support from your device. Okay, as well as that operating system is totally architecture dependent operating system. So let's see what are the features of the mobile operating system. See, these are the list of different mobile operating system features. Like mobile operating system can provide multitasking, it can provide easily scheduling, process scheduling, memory allocation, file system interface, as well as that mobile operating system can provide keypad interface, input output interface, and not but least, mobile operating system provides a protection and security. Okay, for that purpose it required some special constraints as well as some requirements, important requirements for the mobile operating system. First of all, we see the different special constraints under by using that mobile operating system operates. So what are the different constraints rather than the desktop operating system? Like desktop operating system does not require such type of constraint like memory, uh, screen size, battery power, etc., etc. In case of mobile operating system, these are the essential features. Like mobile operating system has limited memory, as well as the mobile operating system has a limited screen size. Okay, that size is varies from the size of the mobile. Then miniature keyboard provided by this operating or miniature keyboard provided with that device or with that mobile, and that interface should be provided by their operating system. So these such type of constraints matter in case of mobile operating system. Then limiter power processing power have the mobile operating system is. Then battery power is limited in case of mobile operating system, which is not mattered in a desktop operating system. And as well as it has limited or fluctuating of wireless medium. These are some constraints which are necessary to properly operate with the operating system, such type of operating system. Then what are the requirements for the mobile operating system? Let's see. Some special requirements for the mobile operating system. Mobile operating system supports for specific communication protocol, or it requires specific communication protocol, as well as it require variety of input mechanisms, as well as we can use different number of open standards with the mobile. So mobile operating system requires a compliance with the open standards. Then extensive library support required by the mobile operating system, as well as it require the integrated development environment that should be support to design a proper mobile operating system. Okay, so we see the structure of mobile operating system or architecture of mobile operating system. This figure show the architecture of mobile operating system. Every mobile has two type of data storage, that is SIM card storage and SD card storage, as well as mobile Android mobile or smartphones, all they are the touch screen mobiles, so they require or they have the LCD screen. Okay, SIM card SIM card space or SIM cards, which makes the communication between your mobile and your communication media. Okay, so they required some devices like DSP, MCU, and memory units like ROM, RAM. In case of SD card is an internal storage for the mobile. So it uses internal RAM and ROM of your mobile device. Okay, like that. Power supply. There are different modes of power supply can be used. Sometimes we can use direct plug in play power supply. Sometimes we use a battery, uh, which are usually we called as a battery backup. Okay, so what what is actually the layered approach of this operating system? Let's see. Mobile, there are two type of architectures provided by the mobile operating system. Your mobile supports which type of architecture, it totally depend on the hardware and software involvement of that particular mobile. One type of architecture is a monolithic kernel architecture and another one is a microkernel architecture. In case of monolithic kernel architecture, it is a layered architecture, different number of layers over there. First layer is application layer, which contain all the application programs, or which we shortly pronounce as apps. Different apps are available that layer. Second layer is a user mode. User mode means in that mode operating system provide the different features to access that applications. Third layer is a sorry, kernel layer. Kernel layer can provide all the features or all the management done through the kernel layer, like file system management, process management, memory management, input output management, concurrency control, device management. Okay, and the last layer is a hardware layer, which deals with the hardware of the mobile. Second type of sec, sorry, second type of operating system is a microkernel operating system. Microkernel operating system is also a layered approach. That microkernel operating system has first layer is application layer. Second layer is that second layer is the mobile operating system layer, and the last layer is the hardware layer. Okay, the application layer can contain device application and third party applications. Second layer is the mobile operating system layer. That mobile operating system layer contains system libraries, third party libraries, and system services. And the last layer is, last means bottom layer, is the hardware layer, which contain device hardware and third party hardware. This is basically the architecture of the mobile operating system. So what are the mobile operating system available in the market? Basically, there are number of mobile operating systems available in the market. These are some examples of it. Palm operating system, Symbian operating system, Linux operating system, Windows mobile operating system, BlackBerry operating system, iPhone operating system, Google Android platform operating system, and many more operating systems. Nowadays, every branded company wants to introduce their own operating system. So, day by day, number of operating systems are introduced into the market, which can every new operating system can follow the this type of architecture. Means the operating system should have to construct mobile operating system should have to be constructed with the monolithic architecture or microkernel architecture. Okay, in today's sessions, we are discussed with the mobile operating system and what are actually the structure or evaluation structure of mobile operating system. We will see at next lecture. Till then, goodbye and thank you.